So it's been a little while since we've done anything, but progress has been happening on the charger. I've been slowly making up some new panels to put in and welding it up. If I was paying myself for the work, I'd be pretty annoyed with both the time it's taken and the quality of the work, but it is happening slowly. Other things, of course, always get in the way of these projects. You think they're going to be simple, but it's not always so. Anyway, let's have a look at what's been done so far. So we've welded up in here and fixed all the rust in there. So that should all be solid down there. And then just round here on the other side, new panel in there. So solid steel to be working on, which is good. But of course, just as you make progress and you think things are going well, you find other bits. So new rust over here that needs to be dealt with, just for something to make life more interesting. And I think the whole panel here is probably going to have to come out to make it all kind of work, but it's slowly happening. A lot of work has gone in here, so we've cut all of this lower sill out of the charger and have been busy cutting up new panels. It takes much longer than you might think to actually make sure that everything fits and to get it to all line up. And that's been many hours. The little toy I've been playing with is this device. It's a very cute little thing. So it's got this little setup here that puts a little fold in the panel on the edge for joining two. So there's a little kind of lip to butt it up against. So it closes down and puts a mark in the car. And at the same time, it's got the nice little Swiss cheese hole maker that puts little holes in like that. So you can plug weld. It in one sill and the passenger side.